Before we get started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like my content. A single subscriber would help me go a long way. So anyway, Day6's guitarist and vocalist Jay recently created his own Twitch account. For those of you who don't know, Twitch is a live streaming platform where people mostly stream themselves gaming. Jay is an avid gamer and had been also appearing in a lot of other Twitch users' streams. So this was a long time coming, but a lot of Korean fans were not happy with this news. The reason is that the fans are actually being protective about his image and the overall image of Day6. They think anything can happen during a live stream, and they know that netizens can blow things out of proportion, especially considering how prominent cancel culture is these days. They just don't want the media to take what he does or says out of context and make it a big issue, and so they're telling him to just use V app instead. Some trolls were also trying to drag him by saying that he's going to ruin the image of the band and is also trying to sabotage the band's latest subunit comeback. But then again, these were trolls, not actual fans. However, Jay assured the fans that he's not gonna monetize the channel and the chat will have moderators. He also mentioned that if there were any serious drawbacks that could be harmful for Day6, he would seriously consider them and said that Twitch would also be a way to promote Day6. Now, the biggest reason that Korean MyDays don't want Jay live streaming is because of the recent controversy that blew up. On February 29th, VIX's member Hongbin held a live broadcast on Twitch to celebrate his channel's 1-year anniversary. Turns out, Hongbin was heavily intoxicated, aka had a little too much to drink during the broadcast and acted rude towards viewers as well as fellow idol groups. He made several comments on other K-pop idol groups while under the influence. While watching SHINee's performance of Everybody, he commented, "Who mixes this kind of idol music with band music? It sucks." About EXO, you wanna know something cute? SM teaches you everything from every gesture to every move. There will be someone that teaches you the gestures and someone that doesn't. They break down each person, but we, VIX, produce everything ourselves. While watching EXO's Wolf, he commented, "I'm sorry, but I've always been a vampire, and these people, EXO, were wolves." It was always funny to me because vampires always won. In history, the people who remain are the ones who win. In modern day, when comparing who will win between vampires and wolves, I think it's vampires. Try and keep up. Sad to say that there is no one that can keep up to us. I mean, there is no one from the wolves that can keep up. While listening to a Red Velvet remix, he frowned and criticized them for their strong color of music. Ew, this is too much of a mania level. It's too idol-like. The color is too strong. Don't you know what mass appeal means? YouTube is mass appeal since everyone watches it, but your choice was a failure. While watching Infinite's Be Mine, he comments that he would have beaten the choreographer for the routine. Wow. Personally, I would have beaten the choreographer for that routine. What is that? That's a cool song. Why would anyone choreograph that kind of dance to such a cool part? Post all this, both Hongbin and Jellyfish Entertainment put out separate apologies. However, in the end, Hongbin ended up leaving VIX as well as Jellyfish Entertainment. Hongbin spoke to the fans on Twitch. "First off, my contract has been terminated and I am no longer under Jellyfish. I am so sorry to those who were my fans and to fans of VIX. I've left the company, so I think I need to find my own path now." And so this recent controversy is probably the main reason fans want Jay to stay away from Twitch, fearing something similar could happen down the line. And that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know what I should make a video on next, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.